Little pilot. Get his head out of the cockpit.
They come spin around that missile.
It's gonna be a tear. It's crazy.
Was that fun?
Guys, look at that big plane over there. Not yet. A commercial plane is there.
How was it?
Your hair's all messed up.
What'd you see? He's speechless.
Where'd you guys go?
We went a long way, didn't we? We were gone a long time.
Where'd you go?
What did you see in your house?
Wow, you saw the house?
Yeah, and we went over wild adventures.
Wow.
Went over the wire. There you go.
Oh, wow.
Let's go there too. I want to go in the front. Okay, you can go in the front. You can go in front. Let's do this plane this time.
Was that fun, Ruben?
I don't know, it is fine.
Was it everything you dreamed it would be?
Was it fun?
Yeah.